Okay guys, so welcome to my channel. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment. So today I'm going to show my Bryant air conditioner. My 2016 Bryant air conditioner. Okay. So here it is. Oh, I'm gonna shut the door and start showing. Okay. So right here is the logo. It's called Bryant. Alright, so right here has the houses and okay. So I'm going to show the compressor too. Okay. So here's the compressor. Oh wait. It has. I don't know why my camera puts blurry. I'm gonna clean. Okay. So it has an LG compressor. Alright, so it has an LG compressor, so it's made in alright, so we're gonna put it more bigger so you guys can see it clearly. Okay. Okay, so alright, so it's made in the compressor is made in Korea. So okay. So this is the fan motor right here. It's called Jinku. And it's made in India. Okay, so here's all the information then here. Serial. Alright, so so I'm finished. Alright, so this is the disconnect right here. So so now I'm going to show my furnace. Okay. Alright, so this is my furnace right here. Okay, so has an 18 times 18 filter uses. So has a safety switch. Alright, so this is the hose to directly the ceiling things that can cool my room or the whole house. So okay, so now okay. Right here's the thermostat. I don't want a lot of noise right now. So it's in 81 degrees right here. Inside. Okay. Inside 81, set to 81. Okay. Oh, that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And thanks for watching.